The Republic of Congo is rich in natural resources, with oil, timber, and minerals aplenty. Yet, despite its wealth, much of its potential has remained untapped, and development has often lagged behind its neighbors. However, 2024 marks a turning point. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey through the Republic of Congo, Brazzaville, where the foundations of tomorrow are being laid, quite literally, in concrete and steel. The Congo is moving from towering hydropower plants to bustling ports and expansive highways, and you're about to see how fast. What's happening in the Republic of Congo is nothing short of transformational. Buckle up, and let's dive in. 6. Pointe-Noire Port Expansion. Situated on the Atlantic coast, this port is the gateway for 90% of the country's imports and exports. However, with the increasing demand for trade and the need to boost economic growth, the existing infrastructure was not cutting it. The Pointe-Noire port expansion is an ambitious project aimed at doubling the port's capacity. The project includes the construction of new deep-water berths, expanding container terminals, and modernizing cargo handling facilities. The budget for this project is a whopping $1.5 billion, funded through a mix of government funds, loans from international financial institutions, and private investments. The primary contractors are a consortium of international and local firms, with completion targeted for 2026. Furthermore, the expansion project will make Pointe-Noire one of the most competitive ports on the West African coast. This expansion is set to reduce shipping costs, decrease turnaround times, and attract more global shipping lines. Overall, once completed, the Pointe-Noire port will be capable of handling over 1.5 million TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units, annually, making it one of the largest ports in sub-Saharan Africa. 5. Inga 3 Hydropower Project. The Inga 3 project is designed to generate a staggering 11,000 megawatts of electricity, with 2,000 megawatts allocated to the Republic of Congo. The project involves constructing a massive dam, power stations, and transmission lines at an eye-watering budget of around $14 billion, funded by a consortium of international investors, African development banks, and government contributions. Construction is led by a joint venture of global engineering giants, with completion expected by 2030. Furthermore, the project is set to solve Congo's chronic electricity shortages. With a population of over 5 million, Brazzaville alone has been grappling with frequent power outages. Inga 3 will provide a stable and sustainable power supply, fueling industrial growth. Overall, the Inga 3 project, once completed, will produce more electricity than the entire current output of Nigeria, Africa's largest economy. 4. Congo-Ocean Railway Rehabilitation. This railway line is the lifeline that connects the port city of Pointe-Noire with Brazzaville, stretching over 500 kilometers through dense forest and rugged terrain. But after decades of wear and tear, it desperately needs an upgrade. The rehabilitation project involves overhauling the railway's infrastructure, including tracks, bridges, and signaling systems. It also includes the purchase of new locomotives and passenger coaches. The project is budgeted at $700 million, funded by government funds, loans from international financial institutions, and private sector investment. The main contractor is a leading European railway engineering firm, and the project is slated for completion in 2027. Furthermore, this railway expansion is crucial since it's the backbone of Congo's transport network. By improving the efficiency and safety of the Congo-Ocean Railway, the country will see a significant reduction in the cost of transporting goods, which will, in turn, lower prices for consumers. Overall, once the rehabilitation is complete, the Congo-Ocean Railway will be able to transport over 10 million tons of cargo annually, double its current capacity. 3. Maya Airport Expansion. As the country's main international gateway, Maya Airport is a critical infrastructure connecting Congo to the rest of the world. However, with the increased air traffic, the airport must expand to meet growing demand. The expansion project includes constructing a new terminal building, extending runways, and upgrading navigation and security systems. The project is budgeted at $450 million, with funding coming from the government, loans from international development banks, and private sector partners. The primary contractor is a well-known global construction firm, and the project is expected to be completed by 2025. Furthermore, this expansion will significantly increase the airport's capacity, allowing it to handle more flights and passengers. Overall, once the expansion is complete, Maya Maya Airport can handle up to 3 million passengers annually, more than double its current capacity. 2. Ketta-Djoum Road Development Phase 2. This road is part of a larger trans-African highway network that connects Congo to Cameroon and beyond. The project's first phase was completed a few years ago, and now Phase 2 is all about extending and upgrading the road to meet international standards. Notably, Phase 2 of the Ketta-Djoum road development involves the construction of new road sections, widening existing lanes, and improving drainage and safety features. The budget for this phase is $300 million, funded by a combination of government funds, loans from African development banks, and grants from international donors. The main contractor is a consortium of African and international construction firms, with completion expected by 2026. Moreover, this road development is significant since it is a critical trade route that facilitates the movement of goods between Congo, Cameroon, and other Central African countries. Therefore, by upgrading the road, Congo will reduce transportation costs, increase trade volumes, and improve access to remote areas. Overall, once Phase 2 is complete, the Ketta-Djoum road will be able to handle up to 5,000 vehicles per day, significantly boosting trade and travel in the region. 1. Congo-Léopoldville, Kinshasa, Bridge Project. This ambitious project aims to connect Brazzaville with Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, by building a bridge over the Congo River. It's a project that has been in the works for decades and is finally becoming a reality. The bridge will be a multi-lane road and rail bridge, stretching over 1.5 kilometers across the Congo River. The project also includes the construction of access roads and rail links on both sides of the river. The budget for this massive undertaking is $2 billion, funded by a mix of government funds, loans from international financial institutions, and private investment. The project is being led by a consortium of international construction firms, with completion targeted for 2028. Furthermore, once completed, it will be the first-ever physical link between Brazzaville and Kinshasa, two of the closest capital cities in the world. Overall, once completed, the Congo-Léopoldville Bridge will be one of the longest river bridges in Africa, capable of handling both road and rail traffic. And there you have it. 6 mega infrastructure projects are set to transform the Republic of Congo, Brazzaville, in 2024 and beyond. These projects are more than just construction sites, they're the foundation of a new era for the country. From boosting trade and creating jobs to improving living standards and fostering regional cooperation, these projects pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future. So, stay tuned and keep watching as Congo builds its way to greatness.